Hey guys, I'm Tree and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna unbox the Elgato Stream Deck. So this is a Stream Deck, this is what we're gonna unpack today. The back you can see that it runs only on Windows 10, so if you don't have a Windows 10 you should or upgrade your system, or sadly enough you can't use the Stream Deck. Okay, this is how we're gonna open it. You can see the Stream Deck pretty clearly, and there's like a little guide here. Stream Deck guide. It says quick start guide. It also says it in French for me, and it has some like, well, how you have to do it. Connect it with the USB, download the software, how you can use the program itself. That's what it says in the manual. It's just a manual of doing it. How you can work with the stand. Nothing too fancy, just a manual. You can pick up the Stream Deck. And this is it. Comes with a USB cable. It's a pretty decent long one with a little cover over the USB port. So we're just gonna remove that. There's the stand. And this stand is pretty neato, because what you can do is you can flip this side. Well, you can lay it down like this, but then it's really hard to push the buttons. But if you flip it, you can push this out and set it on either one of those things in this side. So you can set it on any of these. And if you click this back in, the big one, and you click the little ones out, you can also use the little ones if you don't want it to come up that much. So yeah, basically you just set this up, Stream Deck on here, it just slides in here. It's not that hard. Just put it on here, and this needs to be in the USB port of your PC, and then just download the software. There's another thing in it. Important safety instructions. I don't know, I don't think anybody's gonna read this, but it comes with it. And in the box itself, there's this nice foam. That's it! But we have way more videos, so just watch this next one up here that YouTube recommended for you.